Today we shall once again be discussing question number 13 to 16 of exercise 2 of algebraic equalities. I hope you must have liked the previous sessions. So these sums are basic sums only, not very hard sums, but you need to understand the fundamentals. Now let us start with this sum. There are two conditions. What are those conditions? Number one, this should be 4 minus 2x minus x square should be greater than or equal to 0. This need to be checked always here. And number two, x minus 2, since this left hand side is either positive or 0, so this is the next thing. So here you can check x square minus 2x minus 4 should be greater than or equal to 0. X minus 2 greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. So let us start by squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get 4 plus 2x minus x square is equal to x minus 2 whole square. That is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Therefore 2x square minus 6x equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 3x equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 and 3. So now x should be greater than 2. This is one of the conditions. So x is equal to 3 is the correct answer, because 0 is not acceptable. So hence rejected. Now question number 14. Condition 37 minus x square should be greater than or equal to 0, number 1, and x should be x minus 5 should be greater than 0, that is x is greater than or equal to 5. And here you can see x square minus 37 less than or equal to 0. By wavy curve, x belongs to minus root 37 to root 37. So let us start. Now root over 37 minus x square is equal to x minus 5. Since this side is greater than or equal to 0, therefore x minus 5 should be greater than or equal to 0. That is why x should be greater than or equal to 5, as well as x belongs to minus root 37 to plus root 37. So actually the solution will lie within 5 and root 37. So let us see. Squaring both sides. Now x equal to either 6 or minus 1. So here minus 1 is not acceptable. X should be greater than or equal to 5 and should lie between 5 and root 37. Therefore x equal to 6 is the correct answer. Next question, we move on to question number 15 this time. Here what is the condition? 5 minus x square should be greater than or equal to 0. That is x square minus 5 less than or equal to 0. Therefore x should lie between minus root 5 to 5. Root 5. Number 2 condition, x plus 1 should not be equal to 0. That means x should not be equal to minus 1. So these are the expected values of x. I mean, the value of x will lie somewhere in between minus root 5 to root 5 except minus 1. So let us start. We will take x plus 1 to this side. Root 5 minus x square is equal to x plus 1, and after squaring 5 minus x square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Therefore 2x square plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now that is x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2 x minus 1 should be equal to 0. Therefore there are two values of x, 1 and minus 2. Now minus 2 and 1. So let us check one by one. If we put x equal to minus 2, LHS equal to root 9 divided by minus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 3, which is not equal to right hand side. Therefore this value is not accepted. X is equal to minus 2, rejected. So we will put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. So LHS equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. Therefore answer is x equal to 1. The same trick will apply to this question. There will be some preconditions here also. Let us start with answer question number 16. 19 minus 2x should be greater than equal to 0. Therefore x should be less than equal to 19 by 2. Number 1. And number 2, x denominator. X is in the denominator, x should not be equal to 0. So these are the two conditions we need to check. So let us cross multiply. X plus root over 19 minus 2x equal to x. Therefore 19 minus 2x, squaring both sides, x square minus 4x plus 4. Therefore x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. That is x minus 5, x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here we are getting two values, x equal to 5 and minus 3. Now again we will check up. This side is numerator is positive always, and denominator, if you put x equal to minus 3, it will be negative. Check with x equal to minus 3. 2 plus 5 divided by minus 3, that is equal to 7 by minus 3 is equal to negative. It is not equal to 1. So it is not equal to right hand side, therefore this value is rejected. Now let us check with x equal to 5. LHS equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 5, that is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. Therefore answer is x equal to 5. So in this session also we have completed solutions of, we have answered solutions of problem number 13 to 16. Hope you must have liked the video. Like it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.